Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can create a, specific category schedule in Revit, and additionally, we'll see how we can fix if my schedule is not, coming under the sheet area. So how we can fix that one as well. So let's start from scratch now. So how I can create a specific category schedule in Revit. So for that one, I'll go in my project browser. I'll click on schedule and quantity right here. Right click on that one. Click on new schedule and quantity. So this kind of dialog box will be opened. And right here I can see multiple categories of Revit. There are two options, whether I'll go for multi-category schedule and will go for specific category schedule. So right now I'm going for specific category schedule because we already discussed the multi-category schedule in my past video. So if you did not check that one out, please go for it. It will be very useful for you. Now, in this particular video, we'll be going for example, specific category. Let's suppose go for mechanical equipment. So I'll click on mechanical equipment category from right here. I can name my schedule like from right here. Like for example, let's go for Mac schedule dash 001. For example, I'm giving the schedule name right here like this. Click on OK. Now again, the second kind of dialog box will be opened where I can see a lot of parameters related to mechanical equipment category. Now I can select any of those parameters or multiple parameters as well. And additionally can search the parameters from right here. So for example, I want to search the family and type of my mechanical equipment. Secondly, I just want to go for level. There are two different parameters of the levels. You can select based on which parameter you filled in the project. Okay, so you can select based on that one. Like that way, you can select multiple things. Right now, I'm selecting, for example, the count as well, so that we can see total number of counts. Additionally, if you are having a specific parameter that you want to add, you can add that parameter as well in this, schedule. Now, if I'll go for click on OK, that will create my schedule. For example, right here, so that is how my schedule will be created. Now right here I can see level 2, level 1, and those kind of stuffs at the levels. I can see my what we can say units are placed. Now for example, I just want to check the units at what we can say level 3. So I'll go for level equals to level 3. Click on OK, and it will show me different levels, different units. But at the first place, I just want to see total number of quantity. So I'll go in sorting and grouping right here. Click on grand total. Additionally, I'll uncheck the item as every instance because I just want to see um, the family and type. If it is different, it will show me a different unit, but if it's same unit, it'll show me the grand total of that one. So if I'll click on OK, it'll showing me that family and type of heat recovery unit, the same unit at level 3 are having total number of count of 10. So that is how I can create a specific category schedule and I can use that one. And additionally, I can add that one on sheet as well. Now, additionally, for example, if I'm adding the schedule which is having different rows, multiple rows, and I cannot fit that schedule in my specific sheet, how I can fix that one? So for that one, I'll click on the schedule. Right here, you will be able to see this particular symbol, split schedule. So I'll click on that one. I'll divide my schedule into two different schedules. So now I can adjust my schedule accordingly. So that is how we can fix this kind of issue as well. So thanks for guys watching this video. I hope you'll get some insights about the schedules and Revit. Thanks a lot guys again. Let's meet in my next video.